you're gonna get a taste of everything. You're gonna get some fried shrimp, you're gonna get some hibachi style. We're gonna introduce vegan and alkaline to the people too, you know, so you're gonna get a taste of everything, man. Anything is possible. A lot of people know me, and if they see me and they say, wow, Bubba did it, if he did it, that means anybody. Yes, you can do it. And I did it, I don't owe nobody, I did it straight cash, I work hard, I saved my money, and I paid for my vehicle, man. And yes, anybody can do it once you're serious and you're dedicated and you're determined, man.
Oh yeah, there we go, that's getting in the video.
My name is Bubba. Everybody calls me Bubba or B. And my fiance, her name is Brittany, also B. We have last name in our family, Baltimore, so it's like B's, you know? Yeah. It's like a family thing, you know, so yeah.
And you're probably gonna name your kids with a B first?
Yeah. Good job, man. It's been a long journey, you know? It's been time in planning, coming up with the idea, and then actually trying to get the motivation to actually, okay, go ahead and go. I'm also a cook myself, so that's what I do for myself right now. I'm self-employed. I work for 2K Express. I'm one of the cook there, and I just want to incorporate that for myself. You know, if I'm making them money, why can I just do it for myself, have time and control my own hours, you know? Even the family can help me out with the business, you know what I mean? So I can be more involved with the family and stuff. With Tony, man, she's an awesome person. She's energetic. She motivates you. She talks to you. She's on point. You know what I mean? She encourages you even when you're feeling down. You think things ain't going well. Hey, you call Tony. She will put a smile on your face at the end of the day, man. Trust me. So it was good working with Fat Frog. Hey, man, if I could do business with them all the time, like I said, I'm a DJ and I need like graphic designs or anything. If I could work with you guys through anything, man, I will do it all the time, man. One Fat Frog? Yeah, man. Bless. And for me, I just look at what it is I am doing right now. I do music, I'm a DJ, I'm a sound engineer, and I also cook. So I say to myself, why not just incorporate and just make that my life, you know what I mean?